Kaman is an ideal partner to Gleason because of their flexibility, their focus on our end customers, and continual improvement.
Where we started was really being a parts supplier and supplying mostly electrical commodity parts to the Gleason works. And over time, as Gleason's needs evolved, we evolved into doing kits with them. And today where we are is we have a team of engineers that work with them on their designs. We fully are integrated with their SAP system. And within the Zeller Kaman organization, we have over 30 people that are dedicated to working with the Gleason works on a daily basis.
We flex resources back and forth between engineering, drafting, and manufacturing as well.
In times of need, to be able to pick up the phone and call key people within Zeller, knowing that relationship and having that foundation, it's never contentious.
We are a zero defect organization, continuous improvement organization. So when all of us come to work every day, that is the forefront on our minds to deliver the mission critical product to our customers, something that will meet their specs and won't fail.
Quality has to be impeccable every time the customer touches it, it has to work.
We're in a very cyclical business, and knowing that we've got a partner that can help us during a peak, that means that we can take on more work and actually deliver more of what our customers ask us for when they need it.
We have very strong vendor relationships that know the importance of Gleason, and they will help shorten the lead time of material.
They employ sourcing professionals who manage, maintain, and monitor the performance of dozens of different suppliers for Gleason.
We're very dedicated to ensuring that Gleason can guarantee on-time delivery to their customers. A lot of times the machines need additional updates, last-minute changes right before it goes out the door. We're able to pull in other, whether it's engineers or drafters, other resources to make sure that happens. Sometimes it's within a 24-hour window when the machine ships.
When their business goes down, we're able to flex down with them. And when their capacity grows to be higher, we're able to grow with them and able to handle that capacity challenges that they may have.
When you talk about driving operational excellence every day with our customers front and center, without suppliers like Kaman, it just wouldn't happen.